guys, good day to you. How you all doing? It's been a minute, huh? Well, actually, it's been a while I vlogged, maybe about 5 days or more now. It's been a struggle, guys. Like, I appreciate, what's that word I'm looking for now? I wonder how, or I want to praise women in diaspora that have children and do not have help. Like, I had help for the first 6 months my mom was here, and so I enjoyed. Now I know that I was enjoying, because this past few, maybe 1 week or 2 weeks now that she has not been around, I've been struggling, guys. It has been a struggle. Like, this is 9:23. I breastfeed all night, and I haven't had a meal. Like, my husband tries, like, when he can, when he's around, but it's a struggle. So, how are you all doing? It's been a while, like I said. The past 2 days now, no, 2 days back to back, Friday, Monday. Friday there was no school. School was called off because of the blizzard. There was a blizzard in Winnipeg. Monday also, it was feeling like -43, so school was cancelled. So I felt was home. Those 2 days I could not even say like I want to film or anything, because anyways, we're here. Tifeoluwa is right now sleeping upstairs, so I'm trying to give myself get food or eat food. So I'm cooking yams. Those yams I bought, and plantains. I'm boiling yam and plantains to eat. I know normally people boil both of them together, but I didn't want to boil it together because sometimes I feel like the plantains changes the color of the yam, and I want like clean yams. So I'm gonna be eating that with eggs. I don't have normally I will eat with Titus, like fish stew, but I don't have fish at the moment. I should go to Superstore to buy that. No, what Superstore? African store. So yeah, I just thought to check in on you guys. How you all doing? Hope you're good. I think this should be officially a new vlog. So welcome to a new vlog. Enjoy. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. Maybe I should have started with this, but you get the message, right? How are you all doing? I hope you're good. How has it been wherever you are? I know the world right now is going through extreme weather conditions. People that usually do not experience snow in the US are experiencing snow in the UK. Here it is extreme. Nigeria, it is hot. So it is well. God help us. How are you all doing, by the way, guys? How are you all doing? Hope you're good. Hope you're good. Hope you're doing great. I just thought to check in. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you joining me for the first time, this is a beautiful channel. Oh, you're gonna like it here, okay? It's all good vibes. We love one another here. I have some subscribers that every time I see them, I get pumped up. I'm like, yeah, those are my fam. Those are my community. So thank you so much, guys, for your love, for your support, and enjoy the vlog, okay? Peace. Hi guys, so Tiffy and I are just preparing right now to go welcome or to go pick up Ayofe from the school bus. So we're lucky that the school bus is gonna drop her like very close to the front of the street. So I can even just stay in front of the house and usher her, or they will just like, that's so cool. Oh yeah, release your leg. You have just 7 more minutes. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Let it go. Let it go. So guys, today is Thursday. I haven't stepped out of this house since Monday because it's too cold. Sorry, it's too tight. Say hey. Say hey. Say hey. Yeah, have to, because we're going outside. So this is what I'm gonna do. I think normally I should just be able to carry her in my hands, but God forbid, let me not sleep, or the ground is slippery. I also feel like I might not be able to hold her properly if I'm wearing a glove. So it's just best to put her in a carrier. That way I have good control. So usually I'll put her in first and I wear my jackets. I think that's the best way to do it. I can actually see the school bus, like I can see when it's turning the corner from here. So once I see it turning the corner, I'll just run out. So we're all say hi. So I just have this blanket here. Hi. Tiffy has been talking a whole lot more now. She has been doing that, and I'm suspecting the first thing she will say is Dada. I am suspecting it. I carried you for 9 months. I am still breastfeeding you, but you lived on my breast for 6 months with nothing, no water, nothing. And you want to say Daddy first. God will judge. So I'm just looking now. The bus is supposed to get here at 3:35, and we're just about 3 minutes. Now a prime truck has parked in front of where I'm supposed to. Let me show you guys. See? Now that prime truck is blocking my view. Imagine that. Anyways, we'll start heading out now. I'm just trying to limit the amount of time that we spend outside just to stay as warm as possible. Going to wear you're going into the cold. So usually this is how I cook, like this big pressure cooker of beans. I cook like this whole quantity at once. I cook this. What, Skinny?
I want to see what to do.
So I cook this whole pot of beans at once, then I just put in the freezer. So whatever makes life easy. I'm gonna take some of these for Tifiolua's food right now because I'll put some of them in here for her. I'll steam it a little more and then blend it.
Yeah. Should I put more?
Add one more.
Scoop.
One more scoop, yep. Tife's food. Oh, Madame Tife. There's your beans. See your food.
My egg.
See?
What's that? Probably her first word is going to be daddy because she said a lot of the.
See this one at the back that wants to know what's going on. See her doing trying to see what's going on.
You're like, huh? What's going on? Huh? What's going on? What's going on? I want to get out of here.
Madam, sit down. I have work to do. I got work to do. I got work to do. See her dancing. The way Ayofe cracks up Tife, wherever Ayofe is around, you see back from school, you see the way she's always laughing. I could have guessed that Tife just said, hi guys. Did you just say hi guys? Is that what you said? Did you just say hi guys right now? We're about to eat. Tife is about to eat some carrots and chicken. I'm about to eat carrots and chicken. Hi guys, welcome back. Carrot and chicken. Big family with a great big family. What now? What is this? Huh? You love me. We are a big family with a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Mwah. To say you love me. I love you. I love you. You love me. We best friends like friends should be. With a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. To say you love me too. Take food first. I made when I was coming. You see Center Flavi?
the bulk shopping, right? Go to Dollarama, Walmart, where to get stuff from, like everything.
Yeah, the Pego was.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, and then the one-stop meat
Your
shop.
kids are gonna see you.
The one-stop meat shop. Talked about Manitoba Harvest. I learned a lot.
Thank you
it
so
really,
much.
Really helped.
Thank
I
you.
ordered my bed before I came. The apartment was empty, but we had bed. And then slowly we built up.
Thank you. I'm happy to hear that.
My husband's not gonna believe it. He's working
I have
today.
his number. I'm just gonna once in a while send him a message. Hi, hope you're good.
Yeah, I would love that. So yeah, it really helped. But everyone said maybe it's because we moved from South Africa, so the foreign exchange is not as bad.
Oh yeah. Well, I think so.
I'm still using my South African card here till today.
What? No way.
Hi guys.